In today's video, we'll try to learn how to create commission on sales voucher entry with GST and TDS. For this, come here, gateway of Tally, then go with create, then select ledger, then the name will be commission on sale and on sale. Then press enter. Under will be indirect expenses, inventory values are affected, no type of ledger not applicable. Include accessible value calculation, it will also be not applicable. GST applicability, it will be applicable. You can see here, we can just see the GST applicability. Here I don't see the TDS applicability, but press F12, then go with the below here and made provide details made it yes, and allow advance entries in TDS master made it yes, and then press enter. But also you can see we don't have any TDS applicability option because we are using the Tally Prime educational version. For educational version, TDS applicability will not be available, so we have to use the licensed version, but I don't have any licensed version of the Tally Prime, so I'll just go with the GST applicability is applicable. Here you can see TDS applicability. If you have the licensed version, then make that applicable and put that details. Then HSN and SAG details, specify details here. Then HSN and SAG number, I just put a random number 1234. Description will be commission service. Nice. Then GST, it will also be specified here. Also specify here tax liability, A type taxable, nature of transaction, it will be system informed, or otherwise you can select it from here anything. I just go with this. IGST will be 18% and CGST will be automatically taken 9% each. CGST and SGST says I don't want to add any sales value. Applicable reverse charge, no. Eligible for input tax credit, I made it no. Type of supply, it will be service. Say tolerance statutory deal, I want to make no. Then if I want to put opening balance, put it here. Here we can see how to put the GST details here, but we can't put the TDS details because we are using the educational version of Tally Prime. For this TDS entry, I just post two picture of my book. There you can see the TDS applicability entries. For this you have to check the description link. For the picture you can check what is the TDS applicability option, because I don't have any licensed version of Tally Prime. So this is for today. Thank you for watching.